Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Finovix Studio. Today, we're building the financial foundation, your $10,000 emergency fund. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping regular people in America go from broke to financially stable. Today, we focus on the most crucial step, the emergency fund. Imagine this. Your car breaks down, you get a surprise medical bill, or suddenly, you lose your job. Most Americans right now have less than $1,000 in savings. That's scary. But what if I told you that even if you're earning a low salary, around $40,000 to $55,000 a year, you can still build a $10,000 emergency fund in just 6 months? In today's video, I'm giving you a complete, realistic, step-by-step plan that actually works in 2026 America. No fluff, no fake numbers, we're keeping it real. First, let's understand why $10,000 is the right number for your emergency fund. Most financial experts recommend having 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. For the average person spending around $1,800 to $2,200 per month, $10,000 provides real peace of mind. Right now in America, one medical emergency can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. Car repairs average $1,500 or more, and job loss can happen anytime. Without an emergency fund, you're forced to rely on credit cards and debt. And that's exactly how people stay financially stuck. Now, let's get into the nuts and bolts of the 6-month plan. You need a mix of expense cuts and income boosts to reach $10,000. Strategy number 1, budgeting and cutting expenses. We're talking non-essential subscriptions, eating out less, and finding cheaper alternatives for big bills. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Strategy 2, income boosts through side hustles. Even small, consistent extra income from gig work or selling unused items can make the difference between hitting and missing that $10,000 target. Strategy 3, automation and tracking. Set up automatic transfers to a dedicated high-yield savings account right after payday. Make saving mandatory, not optional. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this plan can be the video that changes everything for you. Building this fund is about security and peace of mind. Remember the key steps. Determine your $10,000 goal. Ruthlessly cut expenses, find a consistent side income stream, and automate your savings transfers immediately. You can do this. Take action today, change your financial life for the better, and start building that $10,000 buffer. We're diving into the practical steps to build your emergency fund, especially if you're on a $50,000 salary. Having an emergency fund is crucial for financial security. Today, we'll get honest with the numbers and create a realistic plan for you. Let's start by looking at a typical financial situation for this income bracket. Transparency is key to making this work. Assume you take home about $3,200 per month after taxes. This roughly corresponds to a $45,000 to $50,000 annual salary. Here is a realistic monthly breakdown of expenses to help ground our savings plan. First up, rent and utilities. We're budgeting $1,400 for this essential category. Next, groceries and food. Setting aside $350 requires some planning, but is certainly manageable. For transportation, whether it's gas, public transit passes, or ride shares, we allocate $250. Phone and internet costs are budgeted at $120 to keep you connected. Finally, $200 for miscellaneous expenses, covering incidentals and unexpected small costs. Adding these up gives us a total monthly expense of $2,320. Now that we know our expenses, let's create a solid savings plan to build that emergency fund fast. Subtracting expenses from your take-home pay leaves you with approximately $880 every month. The plan is to save between $550 and $600 each month, directing it straight into your emergency fund. Use the remaining $280 to $330 for entertainment, flexibility, and small debt payments. This keeps the plan realistic. Let's see the rapid progress you can make with this consistent savings approach. Saving $580 per month equals $3,480 in just 6 months, a substantial start to your emergency fund. You might be wondering where more money can come from, especially if you want to save even faster. The answer is side income and smart savings. This is where things get exciting and open up new financial possibilities. The goal isn't to suffer for 6 months. The goal is to create extra cash flow while keeping your lifestyle manageable. That's exactly what we'll dive into next, exploring actionable strategies for side income and maximizing your savings. Do you want a serious financial safety net? we're going to show you how to build a $10,000 emergency fund in just 6 months. The goal is clear: $10,000 in liquid savings. This isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. A $10,000 emergency fund covers 3 to 6 months of expenses for most people, protecting you from job loss, unexpected medical bills, or major car repairs. We break this down into 4 simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow to achieve this financial goal. Step 1. Open a high-yield savings account during week 1. This maximizes your interest earnings while keeping your funds secure. Popular options for 2026 include SoFi Savings, Capital One 360, and Ally Bank. Research the best rates available when you are ready to open your account. Keep your emergency fund completely separate from your regular checking account. This practice ensures it is out of sight, out of mind, reducing the temptation to spend it. Step 2 is crucial for consistency. Automate everything. Remove the decision-making process entirely. The moment payday arrives, automatically transfer at least $300 into your emergency fund. Treat it like a mandatory bill, no excuses. Consistent saving, even small amounts automatically, is the secret weapon to reaching $10,000 faster than you think. Step 3. Cut expenses aggressively during the first 2 months. This initial burst of savings gives you incredible momentum. A massive saving lever is food. Commit to cooking at home 6 days per week. This drastically reduces your takeout and restaurant budget. Review your bank statements and cancel subscriptions you rarely use. Those small monthly fees add up quickly. Consider using the cash envelope system for groceries and discretionary spending. This physical limit makes overspending impossible. Step 4 is the real game changer. Add side income. This is how you dramatically accelerate your progress beyond just cutting costs. Ideas from my previous videos include UGC creation, AI freelancing, weekend flipping, or delivery apps. Find something flexible that works for you. Even an extra $400 to $600 per month can dramatically accelerate your progress, allowing you to hit $10,000 much faster. Now let's look at the 6-month timeline. Here is the projected growth when you follow these 4 steps. By the end of month 1, with aggressive expense cuts and automated savings, you'll reach $1,200. By month 3, consistent automation and your side income kicking in will push you to $4,200. And just like that, by month 6, you hit $10,000 or more. This is achievable through discipline and strategy. You've successfully built a serious financial safety net that will provide security and confidence for years to come. Start today. Today, we're tackling one of the most crucial parts of personal finance, your emergency fund. Specifically, the 4 biggest mistakes people make when trying to build one. If you've struggled with saving an emergency fund, you're not alone. We're going to break down these pitfalls and give you clear solutions to fix them so you can save smarter, not harder. Remember, the goal of building a $10,000 emergency fund is not about becoming rich overnight. It's about buying peace of mind and financial security. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make. Number 1 is keeping their emergency fund inside a checking account. That's an invitation to spend it. Your emergency money needs to be separated from your daily spending money, ideally in a high-yield savings account. Number 2, using emergency savings for things that are not emergencies. Vacations, shopping, or the newest phone do not count as emergencies. Be strict about what qualifies as a true emergency to protect your financial safety net. Mistake number 3, not increasing your savings when your income increases. Any raise or bonus is a perfect opportunity to accelerate your savings goal, often without impacting your current lifestyle. And number 4, trying to save everything at once, getting burned out and quitting completely. Saving takes time, and attempting an unrealistic savings rate too quickly can lead to frustration and abandonment of your goal. Remember this: consistency beats perfection, every single time. Small, regular savings are far better than large, inconsistent attempts. Here are a few bonus tips to supercharge your saving strategy for 2026. Try a modified 50-30-20 budget, or for lower incomes, consider a 60-20-20 approach to better allocate your funds towards essentials and savings. Another great tip: sell unused items on platforms like Facebook Marketplace to generate extra cash that goes straight to your emergency fund. Also, take advantage of bank sign-up bonuses. Many banks offer hundreds of dollars just for opening a new account and meeting certain deposit requirements. Crucially, continue making at least the minimum payments on any existing debt while building your emergency fund to avoid late fees and interest rate hikes. Guys, remember, Building this safety net is all about your peace of mind. It's a fundamental step toward financial freedom. Start this week. Even if you only manage to save $200 this month, you're still moving forward, and that progress is what matters. Comment below and tell me your current savings amount. I read every comment. And if you'd like a free emergency fund tracker spreadsheet, simply type tracker in the comments and I'll reply. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more realistic finance content every week. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll combine side hustles with this emergency fund strategy to reach $15,000 even faster. You got this. Start today. Take care.